Hey, what is up, everybody? I hope you are doing swell. Welcome into another edition of Tyler's Take Product Reviews. I've got another product to review for you, and this one I'm actually really excited about. I was looking to build my tripod accessories in my content creation center, and actually, as you can see by my plain background, I'm looking to move mine around once again. Nonetheless, I bring you some great products, so bear with me as I get my setup going. But I wanted to bring to your attention the Zeetain Universal Mini Mount. The nice thing about this is you can use this for a wide variety of content creation or usage and things like that. This thing is a do-it-all tool, and for less than a pound, actually I think it's almost 3/4 of a pound, you know, this thing is so easy to travel with. So let's go ahead and open this box. And I don't normally do unboxings when I do a review, but I just kind of wanted to show you what is in store. So dinky box and some bubble wrap. We'll pull that off. It's a nice cellophane here, so we'll pull that off. I've already opened this, played with this for a little over a week now, and I wish I would have gotten some recordings while using it, but my main focus was to see how strong, how durable, how user-friendly this was, and I tell you what, it's all of the above. First off, let's go over some of the features on this. Right now it's measuring a little under a foot, which is not very big whatsoever. This thing is light. It's a little top heavy here, but from what I read on the description, from here back is less than a half a pound. The ball joint, again, is probably that. I would say this is equal to about a pound, maybe 3/4 of a pound. So this thing is lightweight. It'll travel nicely. You can stick it in your pocket, stick it in your bag, briefcase, whatever it may be, camera bag, whatever you're using it for. It's got the 1/4 screw on the base, and that pretty much accepts or is accepted anywhere as far as your Sonys and Canons and Nikons, all of those cameras, GoPros, off model 1080 action cams, any of those. You can get different cell phone mounts if you have specific cell phone mounts that you want. The list goes on and on. What's really cool about this is I'm going to jump right into the features for this. So you have the mount for the camera. You can use a mini webcam that mounts to it. So if you want to use it for just a tripod, you can go ahead and do that. It features another 1/4 here. So if you were to unscrew this, your mount comes off. You can screw it vertically. So let's go ahead and do that. It's got about a 1/2 inch long threaded area, and then you go ahead and rotate these out, these plastic hooks here, and you can pretty much accept any cell phone in this area. So that is very cool. It collapses on itself, spring loaded. Very cool, very cool. So these are metal arms, so they are not chintzy. And this is pretty good reinforced plastic with some rubber grippers on the inside here. They did a very nice job manufacturing this mount here. So it pretty much accepts anything. My iPhone XR with the case on it clips in, no problem. So let me show you some of the other features here. You've got a clip mount here, so you can have the light or a slip-on microphone if you have a shotgun microphone. There is also another clip here, again, microphone or light depending on what you're doing. You can have a strap added to it. None of that came with this, so you'll have to search the Zeetain area or the website on Facebook, or well, you can check them out on Facebook, but you can also check them out on Amazon. They have a product store there, so take a look at that. You can take this back off. Like I said, you have it this way. That's your camera mount. It's got a nice gripper pad here, so when you do squeeze it down with the threads, you're not going to ruin your camera. You flip it vertically, you can have your phone horizontally or landscape mode, or you can flip it completely around 180 degrees from what it was when you received it. Screw that guy back on, and now you can have your phone mounted this way. If you take this nice sturdy clamp or release there, your ball and joint can be rotated. It's got a nice cutout, so you can drop that right down in there, and you can rotate it either way too. So there's just multiple ways that you can clip your camera, phones, whatever in there. This thing is awesome. This thing has a nice diameter, about 1 inch, so it fits comfortably in your hand. It does not pinch your hand. These don't flop around. When I move it around, they're not flipping free. But the 3 legs do come out with ease. And it balances really, really well. It is very, very well balanced. You've got a nice flat handle here, but you do have some carbon fiber. If the camera will, it may not adjust on us here, but you can see the reflection there. It's got a carbon fiber style strip there, so you have some grip for where your thumb is. Now, if you want the tripod, I'm going to pull up some specs here so I can tell you the correct information as far as how far this thing can go, but you can have multiple stops within the tripod zone. All right, overall, it is 23 centimeters long. You can go the first zone to there, and it's got like a little bumper. You can feel it stop. You go to 27 and a half. You go to the next zone. You are at 33 and a half. You go to the next zone. You're at 39 and a half, and overall, you're at 44 and a half centimeters from bottom to top. So that is a long selfie stick. You can rotate it here. If I unlock the brake, the clamp, you can be quite a ways out. Also, the nice thing is now you've got a tripod as well. So you've got a nice little desk stand. If you want to put your camera on it or whatever, you've got another way, and you've got 360 degrees this way. You can lock it in. Overall, this unit I am very impressed with. The phone does not fall out whatsoever. It's just a great product. So what I need to do is give a shout out to the person, the gentleman who contacted me to trial this. So I purchased this on Amazon, 20 bucks. He had asked that I take a look at it, review it for a few days, give my thoughts, place it on my YouTube channel in hopes to reach to you guys. This video has featured the Zeetain Universal Mini Tripod, or selfie stick, or whatever it is that you may want to call it. So I'm going to shout out to, I hope I say this correctly, but Teji LLC. Check them out on Amazon, search them, check out a store. There's a bunch of stuff on there as well. So, but also, speaking of checking out, if you could take a look up here in this corner, I will place my product review playlist. Take a look at it. I go from soft light boxes to microphone stands to web cameras to USB hubs, the like. I've got many more that I need to post as well. Headphones. It just goes on and on. So I really love what I'm able to do. And when you subscribe, which I hope you do, go ahead and subscribe down below and give a like, shoot some comments on some products that you would like me to take a look at and cover in my next video. So I hope you guys have a great week. Stay classy and peace.